Uniform or constant acceleration is a type of motion in which the velocity of an object changes by an equal amount in every equal time of period. Uniform acceleration occurs when the speed of an object changes at a constant rate. The acceleration is the same over time. By relating acceleration to other variables such as speed, time, and distance, we are able to manipulate data in many ways.
Hi, my name is Marco and my friend
Andres.
we both are going to explain how to do the horizontal motion problems.
Okay, to resolve these problems of more horizontal motion problems, we have to use two formulas. That is, final velocity, it is equal to initial velocity plus a, that is acceleration, per time, that is, well, time. Final velocity squared, it is equal to initial velocity squared plus 2ax. A is acceleration and x is the distance. Well, the values that we have is that initial velocity it is 0 meters over seconds. The final velocity is 40 meters over seconds. The time is 18 seconds, and the distance and the acceleration we don't have. So we're going to use this formula. Final velocity, is equal to initial velocity plus acceleration per time. Okay, then so we have to get the acceleration. So the formula to get the acceleration is going to be final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So it is equal to final velocity 40 meters over second and minus, initial velocity it is 0 meters over seconds. The time it is 18 seconds. Okay, then so the division is going to be 40 meters over second over 18 seconds. The result of this formula it is going to be 2.2 meters over seconds squared, and this is the acceleration. Okay, we have the acceleration now, but we don't have the distance. So we are going to use the second formula, that is final velocity is equal to square. It is equal to initial velocity squared plus 2 acceleration x. That is the distance. To get the distance, we are going to use this formula, that is x it is equal to final velocity squared minus initial velocity squared over 2a, that is acceleration. Okay, so now we have to substitute the values. Final velocity is 40 meters over seconds, this to the square minus initial velocity, that is 0 meters over seconds squared over 2 per acceleration, that is 2.2 meters over seconds squared. Okay, so 40 square is going to be 1,600 meters over square. Over 4.4 meters over seconds squared. Okay, then. So we are going to cancel. We have 1m. Okay, so meters. And now 1,600 over 4.4, that is 363.64. 64 meters. So this result, it is the distance. Yeah, correct.
Well, the final values are initial velocity,
Initial velocity, it is equal to 0 meters over seconds.
final velocity,
It is equal to 40 meters over seconds.
time,
It is equal to 18 seconds.
x that is equal at distance,
The distance, it is 363.64 meters.
and the acceleration.
It is 2.2 meters over seconds squared.
We can use these formulas to get the velocity, initial or final, the time, the distance, or the acceleration of a car that is moving with a constant acceleration.